Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to allocate more RAM memory to Photoshop on Windows to achieve ultra-fast rendering speeds. This adjustment reconfigures core resource limits inside Adobe Photoshop, granting the application maximum access to your system memory so heavy brushstrokes, filters, and generative fills render instantly. First, launch Photoshop. Click the Edit menu located at the absolute top left corner of your main application viewport. Scroll down near the bottom of the drop-down choices, hover your cursor over Preferences, and click Performance from the secondary pop-out selection column. When the Layout configuration window launches, shift your eyes immediately to the top left section explicitly block-labeled Memory Usage. Here, you will see a slider layout right below the indicator for available RAM, showing your total hardware ceiling. Click and drag the Let Photoshop Use pointer to the right until the input value reaches between 70% and 80%. If you possess 32 gigabytes of RAM or more, setting it exactly to 80% is the absolute sweet spot for professional high-resolution rendering tasks. Avoid cranking this slider past 85%, as denying the Windows 11 background environment its required breathing room will choke your system stability and cause application lockups. To further assist your RAM allocation rules, move your cursor to the right side of the panel directly under History and Cache. Click the dedicated Settings Layout tile explicitly labeled Optimize for Huge Pixel Dimensions if you work on heavy compositing layouts with minimal layers. This instantly forces the allocation architecture to use large cache tile sizes, allowing your graphics memory and RAM to calculate image tiles dramatically faster. Finally, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Layout dashboard and click the OK button to permanently validate your new system hardware assignments. Relaunch your Adobe Photoshop software to clear out existing data registers and boot up with a fully optimized, high-speed rendering engine. And that's it! I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.